Mathematics Class 8, Chapter 14, Linear Equations in One Variable with problems based on linear equations. Part 2, Exercise 14th B and C by Zainab Bahari.
Let us move with the exercise 14th B, which is based on word problems. Here we go with animation to understand how to solve word problems.
Translating word problems into equations can be done following some simple steps.
Dear students, these are the steps involved in solving word problems. Read them well and follow.
I hope you understood the basic steps which we need to follow in order to solve word problems. Let us move with exercise 14th B. Question 2. If Megha's age is increased by 3 times, her age results as 60 years. We have to find her age. So let us move toward the solution. We need to find out Megha's age. We will consider here Megha's age be X years. As per given, it is increased 3 times. So it will be 3x. The next is given in example. After increasing 3 times, it becomes 60 years. So here we can write down equation as Megha's age x years increased by 3x, that is x plus 3x becomes 60 years. That is x plus 3x is equal to 60 by given. Now we will go for solving this equation. X plus 3x is equal to 4x. So in the next step we get 4x equal to 60. Hence value of x is equal to 60 upon 4. Since here 4 is multiplied by, on transposing it will become divided by. So 4 ones are 4, 4 15s are 60. So x is equal to 15 years. So we can write down here Megha's age is 15 years. Let us move to the next example. Here we go with question 7. A's salary is same as 4 times of B's salary. If together they both earns rupees 3,750, find out salary of A and B. Here we go with the solution of question 7. Let B's salary be rupees X. Therefore, A's salary 4 times of B's salary. That is, A's salary is equal to rupees 4x. By the given, sum of their salary is 3,750. Therefore, x plus 4x is equal to 3,750. Therefore, x plus 4x is 5x. 5x is equal to 3,750. In order to calculate x, we need to divide 5x by 5. Since this is equation, on the right hand side also we will divide by 5. So 5 ones are 5 and here 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. Carry on 2, 5 5s are 25 and 0 as it is. So value of x is rupees 750, which is salary of B, and salary of A is 4x, that is 4 into 750 equal to rupees 3,000. So final statement we write here, B's salary is rupees 750 and A's salary is rupees 3,000. Let's move to the next example. Question 11. A rectangle's length is 5 cm less than twice its width. If the length is decreased by 5 cm and width is increased by 2 cm, its perimeter is 74 cm. Then we have to find out length as well as width of rectangle. Here we go with solution of question 11. us consider this is the rectangle with width x centimeter. Since the length decreases by 5 of its width increased by 2x, we can write here length is equal to 2x minus 5. As per the next given, in example, length is decreases further by 5 when the width is increases by 2. So we get here new length as 2x minus 5 minus 5. That is 2x minus 10. Since these are the both minus 5 equal to minus 10. By the condition, new width is here increased by 2. So it is x plus 2. And when its length is 2x minus 10 and width is x plus 2, its perimeter is 74 centimeter. So we get here equation of perimeter of rectangle 2 into length plus width. Let us substitute all the values. 74 is equal to 2 into 2x minus 10, which is the value of length, plus x plus 2, which is the value of width. Therefore, we will divide by 2 on the right hand side, so also on the left hand side. 74 divided by 2 is equal to 2 into 3x minus 8 divided by 2. 2 will get cancelled from the right hand side and remains 3x minus 8. Since we need to find out 3x, we will transpose this minus 8. It will become plus 8. 37 plus 8 is equal to 45, which is 3x. Since value of x is equal to 45 by 3, that is 15 centimeter. That is width is equal to 15 centimeters. So from width we can calculate length, which is 2x minus 5. 2 into 15, value of x minus 5. 15 2s are 30 minus 5 equal to 25 centimeter. So here length of rectangle is 25 centimeter. So dear students, length of rectangle is 25 centimeter and width is 15 centimeters. Here we approach next question. Here is question number 18. 3 consecutive whole numbers are such that if they divide by 5, 3 and 4, their sum is 40. We need to find out each of the number. Let us move to the solution of question 18. Let 3 consecutive numbers be x. So the second one is x plus 1 and the third one is x plus 1 plus 1, that is x plus 2. As per given, if they are divided by 5, 3 and 4 respectively, their sum is 40. So x by 5 plus x plus 1 by 3 plus x plus 2 by 4 equal to 40. Here we find LCM of all the 3 numbers, which is 60. X multiplied by 12 upon 5 multiplied by 12 plus x plus 1 multiplied by 20 upon 3 multiplied by 20 plus x plus 2 multiplied by 15 upon 4 multiplied by 15. So the numerators are 2x plus 20x plus 20 plus 15x plus 30 upon 60 equal to 40. Now here we will transpose the denominator, so it becomes here 40 into 60, and by solving the whole numerator we get 47x plus 50. In the next step 50 we will transpose, here it is plus, it will become minus 50. So 2400 minus 50 equal to 2350, and value of 47 x is 2350. Since we need to find out value of x, we will divide 47. So x is equal to 2350 upon 47. 47 ones are and 47 5s are 235. 0 will be as it is. Since x is equal to 50, x plus 1 equal to 50 plus 1, that is 51, and x plus 2 equal to 50 plus 2, that is the 52. Hence we can say that the numbers are 50, 51 and 52. Dear students, solve the remaining examples from the exercise 14b.
Study few more word problems.
A few word problems to understand the steps better. A number is multiplied by 4 and 5 is added to the product. If this sum is divided by 11, the result is equal to 7. Find the number. The first step is to read the problem carefully and figure out what it is asking you to find. Here, we have to find a number that satisfies the conditions outlined in the problem. Next, we assign a letter or variable to the quantity we are trying to find. Here, let's call the number n. Now, we represent the word sentences of the problem in symbolic language step by step. So, n multiplied by 4 is represented by 4n. Then, the problem states that 5 is being added to the product. This is represented by 4n plus 5. Finally, the problem states that the sum is divided by 11, and this statement is represented by 4n plus 5 divided by 11. We reread the problem and look for quantities which are equal as per conditions outlined in the problem and form an equation. Have a look at the equation formed for this problem. Finally, solving the equation, we get n is equal to 18. But that's not it. We must check the solution by substituting the value of n in the equation. On substituting n is equal to 18 in the left-hand side, we get 7 as the answer. Since left-hand side is equal to right-hand side, the solution for n is true. Smita's mother is 34 years old. 2 years from now, her mother's age will be 4 times Smita's present age. What is Smita's present age? Here, we have to find out Smita's present age. Let Smita's present age be y years. Presently, Smita's mother is 34 years old. So 2 years from now, she will be 36 years old. We know that 2 years from now, Smita's mother's age will be 36, which is 4 times Smita's present age. Therefore, we have the equation 4y is equal to 36. Solving for y, we get Smita's present age to be 9 years. In a 2-digit number, the units digit is 5 less than the tens digit. The number formed by interchanging the digits and the original number are in the ratio 3:8. Find the original number. Here, let the tens digit be equal to x. So, according to the problem, the units digit will be x minus 5. Therefore, the number will be 11x minus 5. Now, if the digits are interchanged, then the new number will be equal to 11x minus 50. We know the ratio of the interchanged and the original number is 3:8. Applying this condition, we can equate the original and the new number. On solving for x, we get 7. Since the units digit is 5 less than 7, we get 2 as the units digit. Hence the answer is 72. A charitable organization distributes 1/4 of its funds to an old age home, 1/8 each to 5 children's welfare organizations, and the remaining to a homeless shelter. If the amount given to the homeless shelter is rupees 50,000, find the total amount of money that the organization distributes. Here, let the total money the organization distributes be equal to x. We know that the charity donates 1/4 of its funds to an old age home. This amount is represented as x by 4. The organization also donates 1/8 of its fund to 5 children's welfare homes. So, the total amount of money donated to the children's welfare homes is 5x by 8. The problem also states that the remaining amount of the funds is donated to a homeless shelter. This amount can be found by taking the difference of the total amount of money donated and the sum of the amounts donated to the old age home and children's welfare homes. So, the amount of money donated to the homeless shelter is x by 8. But we know that the organization actually donated rupees 50,000 to the homeless shelter. Hence, by setting x by 8 equal to 50,000 and solving for x, we see that the total amount of money that the organization distributes is rupees 4 lakhs. In a stream whose current flows at the speed of 3 kilometers per hour, a man rowed upstream and returned to his starting point in 6.5 hours. If the man rows at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour in still water, how long did he row upstream? The first step in solving this problem is to let the time taken to row upstream be t hours. Now, the speed of the boat upstream will be less than its speed in still water due to the opposing current of water. Therefore, the speed of the boat upstream is equal to the speed of the boat in still water minus the speed of the current. Therefore, the speed of the boat upstream is 2 kilometers per hour. The time taken to row upstream is t hours. We know that distance is given by speed multiplied by time. So distance is 2t. Now, the speed of the boat downstream will be greater than its speed in still water due to the favorable current of water. Therefore, the speed of the boat downstream is equal to the speed of the boat in still water plus the speed of the water current. Therefore, the speed of the boat downstream is 8 kilometers per hour. Since the total time taken for this man to row upstream and return to the starting point is 6.5 hours, the time taken to travel downstream will be 6.5 minus t, since t is the time it takes for him to row upstream. So, the distance traveled downstream will be equal to 8 times the time taken to travel downstream. Since the distance traveled upstream is equal to the distance traveled downstream, we form the equation as shown. On solving the equation, we get t is equal to 5.2. So, the time taken to row upstream is 5.2 hours.
Dear students, solve exercise 14C, which is the practice set. Take the reference of all the examples which we solved here in this video and go for practice for solving the examples from 14C. I hope the concept of linear equation is clear to you now. Practice well and complete all the exercises 14B as well as 14C. Thank you.